That is good, y'all. So, for Rivian, Automotive, they don't really have anything coming out like today or even this week. I'm just trying it up just for fun. It is basically Friday, but when I'm recording this video, it's actually Monday. So, I got these just basically scheduled out. So, I want to see basically where it goes. So, the whole point I'm making this on Monday, but then I'm releasing it on Friday. And so you can see like how relevant like these charts are, right? And not only for you, but also for me. I want to go ahead and test myself to see if everything that I'm projecting either comes into fruition or what happens. So this is the part of like monitoring your trades and also like your analysis comes into play where a lot of traders don't like to journal this side of the trading. They just want to say, okay, I won, yay, I lost, let me forget about it. Like you gotta basically meet in the middle. You gotta meet in the middle. That's it. Good grades are good grades, bad grades are bad grades. You have to be able to just be okay with both. Okay, so with that being said, let's get right into it. So again, we have Rivian Automotive on the daily time frame, and their ticker symbol is RIVN. And this is the projection that I have for them so far. They've been going up. Oh, and a special shout out to my cousin John. He actually loves this stock. So I'm just basically just piggybacking off of his conversation we had today. So with Rivian, we did get a bounce off of this $14 level. So it going up towards this $17 is really highly possible, especially like in its momentum that's going. Now it did end up coming down towards this area and then shooting up from there. That's it. Now, for this same sake, I'm looking for it to either play off and come back down towards that $14 mark, possibly even surpassing it if it chooses to come back down to this 12, or if it wants to continue that run, then if it breaks above and hits that, $18, $19 mark, I would like to see a slight retracement towards the downside, maybe hit 18, maybe even 17, and then shoot right back up. I wouldn't want to see it head any lower than that. If it does end up breaking and coming all the way back down towards that 14, I mean, sellers could kind of take over, but oh man, if it'll bounce up from there, that'd be nice. I mean, it kind of already did it here and then coming back, and now basically continuing that bullish push towards the 18, bounce up the 18, $17 mark, and then boom, going up towards that 21. So that's what I would like to see as far as Rivian. It's been climbing. Like it has been climbing ever since this area back in April. So it basically has been doing this little chugging towards the upside. You know what I mean? Like I don't know how many people like to play off the trend line bounces and stuff like that, but as you can see, like it's basically climbing. It's climbing. So let's see if it's going to continue to play off that support, which it did, and then boom, let's see if we're going to end up hitting up that 21, $22 mark. So with that being said, thank you to everyone who's been watching. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to just all the viewers. Like that's it. I'm not here to be like, oh yeah, nah, I'm very just damn, this thing is like shooting. I'm not a I don't care to what they call it, rage bait or whatever the hell it's called. I'm very raw. I do very minimum editing. I don't care to edit. I'm just here to just showcase the skill and then just show how important it is to actually have it. So yeah, with that being said, thank you to everyone. If you have any comments, suggestions of any charts or anything, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. Again, this was Rivian Automotive. Ticker symbol is RIVN, and this was the daily time frame of that. So let's see how we can go ahead and look to see what happens during after week. So again, this is being shot on a Monday, 29th June, and you're gonna most likely see this around what the third. I was gonna say fourth, third of June. So let's see, by now and then what we can get, and then go from there. So thank you for tuning in. Have a great weekend, a safe weekend at that. And make sure that you're being very safe driving this weekend as it's 4th of July. So have a good one, have a blessed one, and yeah, I'll holla at y'all in a bit.